Simple tapping exercise. However, this is quite a stretch, but if you practice that, it'll make your fingers stronger, mainly your pinky finger stronger. Barring all 4 strings on the 5th fret right there, and then we're spreading it out all the way down to the 9th. So that's quite a reach right there. And then we're using the 12th fret to do our taps. Without distortion, this is what it sounds like. Maintaining that bar the entire time, all the way through. The first time you do it, it's probably not going to feel very nice or comfortable, so you have to work on that. But once you get it, this is what it will sound like. We'll do it one by one. I hope you enjoy that. Let me know if you want more tips or if you want the tablature for this. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.